Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm gonna be making a vegan loaf. I got everything here in front of me and I'm gonna start with the oil. I'll just put, I'll put another one. Here I have onions, all chopped. And I'll do the garlic at the same time. So we saute the onions. Okay, it's looking good. I'm gonna add the celery now. I'll add the zucchini. Add some salt. The carrots. I'll do the sweet potatoes. Okay, now I'm gonna add the mushrooms. I'm gonna add the tomato. And this is just peeled tomatoes. And the parsley. Italian parsley. Okay, I'll shut everything off. Looks good, eh? So I'll wait until this goes off. I'll see you soon. Okay, all the vegetables have been cooling off. I'm gonna put them in this bowl and I'm gonna start adding all the dry ingredients, which I have them all there. This is the oat flour and I'm gonna just add it here. Here I have flax seeds. Okay, I'll start mixing. Rice, uncooked rice. Crumbs. If you don't have panko, you can use breadcrumbs. I'm gonna add the chickpeas, which I'm gonna just frappe them for a minute in the KitchenAid over here. Okay, these chickpeas, you soak them overnight and you cook them the next day. Okay, so I'm just gonna and we'll combine everything. So now I'm gonna add the spices. This is Italian seasoning, black pepper, salt, and ginger. And I'll add everything here. And here I have walnuts, crushed. This is gonna be an amazing loaves. Do it with your hands. You can feel it, it's all mixed well, you know. Here I have a loaf pan with parchment paper. I'm gonna start putting it in the loaf pan. Okay. Okay, there's one here. There's the other one here. You just press a little bit. And the other one here. They look nice. Okay, I'll be back to do the glaze. I have everything here. I'm just gonna get some fresh bowls. Okay, I'm gonna do the glaze now. And I'm gonna do it in a mason jar because I wanna shake it. Okay, so I'm gonna just start with the tomato paste. Put maple syrup. And the balsamic. Some salt. I'm gonna shake it up. I guess it's good. Beautiful. Okay, they're gonna go in the oven and I'll show them to you when they come out. Okay, the loaves are all out of the oven. They've been cooling off for a while, but they're still a little warm. Beautiful, nice and thick. You can garnish with some parsley. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. So yummy. And the glaze, it's so delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.